we can use this new column in our visuals. For instance, we can create a column chart and add month initial on the axis and total orders as the value. Drag in month initial and total orders. You can remove the old month name column from the chart. However, notice that Power BI now groups months with the same initial together, e.g., June and July both show as J. This isn't ideal if we want to distinguish between months. Sometimes, you may want Power BI to sort your month initial column according to the actual month order rather than alphabetically. To do this, you would normally use the Sort by Column feature under the Column Tools tab. Ideally, you'd select month initial and sort it by month number. However, you might run into an issue. Power BI can give an error saying it cannot sort the column because there may be multiple rows with the same month initial. In this case, the solution is to use the Tabular Editor. If you don't already have Tabular Editor installed, open a browser like Chrome and search for Tabular Editor 2. Look for the GitHub page labeled Tabular Editor or Tabular Editor. Once on the page, scroll down to the section that says Download the latest version and click on it. Then, select the installer for your operating system, for example, Windows, and the download will begin. The file is small, so it should download quickly. After it finishes, run the installer to complete the installation. If you already have Tabular Editor installed, you don't need to reinstall it. If Power BI was open during the installation, restart it so the Tabular Editor appears under the External Tools menu, which Power BI allows for accessing external applications. Then, open Tabular Editor from the External Tools menu. Inside Tabular Editor, navigate to the DM Date table, select the Month Initial column, and find the Sort by Column option. Choose Month Number as the column to sort by and press Ctrl+S to save your changes. After doing this and returning to Power BI, your months will now display in the correct chronological order. This tells Power BI to use the sort order we specified. You can enhance your line chart by adding more details and customizing the title. Something like Orders by Month works well. If the data labels aren't needed, you can turn them off to keep the chart clean. And that's how you create a single-letter months column in Power BI.